This city looks peaceful, but it doesn't feel simple. Cape Town sits between mountain and ocean, where everything feels open. And close at the same time. From above, it almost feels unreal. The ocean stretches endlessly in one direction, while the land rises sharply in the other. Table Mountain stands still, watching over everything. It doesn't change. The city around it does. At first, Cape Town feels easy. Light, space, movement. Everything seems to flow. But the longer you look, the more the picture starts to shift. Not suddenly, but quietly. This is a city shaped by its past, not in ways you always notice immediately, but in how it's arranged, in the distance between places, in what sits next to what, and what doesn't. Beauty here isn't separate from history, it exists alongside it. Life moves differently here, along the coast, through the streets, between places that feel close. But aren't always connected. There's a rhythm to it. Not fast, not slow, just constant. Cape Town doesn't try to explain itself. It doesn't smooth out its edges. It doesn't ask you to understand it. It just exists, as it is.